Hey there! Today, we're looking at an absolute game changer for job hunting, the Link Easy Job Feed Scanner.
Totally exhausted by the manual search? Let's end that relentless LinkedIn doom scrolling right now.
Enter Link Easy. It's this awesome, centralized dashboard that completely automates all that tedious scrolling for you. It automatically scans your feed every single hour for targets like software engineer, specifically hunting for Python and FastAPI.
The mechanics are brilliant, honestly. Every single job post actually gets a precision match score out of 100.
See those green tags? They instantly highlight exactly why a job is a perfect fit for your skills. Plus, you can directly interact, like, or even comment on posts right from this exact dashboard. And for the engineers tuning in, this whole robust setup runs flawlessly on FastAPI, Celery, and Postgres. Even better, soon it'll integrate with JobEasy at jobeasy.online, a true automation powerhouse.
This means fully automating your end-to-end job applications and firing off your CV without lifting a finger.
So, with your entire job hunt finally on autopilot, what are you going to do with all that saved time?